Hey guys, Nick here, Pond Department Manager, Fairfield Garden Center. Today's topic is figuring out how many gallons your pond is. Customers have made ponds in all different shapes and sizes, so sometimes it can be difficult figuring out how many gallons it actually is. The easiest way is actually renting a gallon meter from us. Pretty much you hook it up on the end of your hose, and as soon as you open up the hose, it starts ticking off how many gallons the pond is. It's fairly accurate, within a couple gallons or so. So if you're using kind of algicide or anything like that and you do a tiny bit too much on it, it won't be detrimental. But if your calculations are way off, then that's a different story. Number two, you can use a formula to figure out how many gallons your pond is. It's length by width by average depth times a certain number depending on the type or the size of your pond. So if it's a circle or oval shape, you're going to multiply that final number by 5.9. If it's an odd shape that is not really definable, then you would times that by 6.7. If it's a square or rectangle pond, then it would be 7.5. Another way you can do it is actually opening up your garden hose all the way. Most of the time the pressure coming out of there leaves around 700 gallons per hour. So you can kind of time it that way, do a ratio, and then it would be able to give you a pretty accurate number. Again, knowing how many gallons your pond is one of the most important things. To size your filter, to use any kind of chemicals, to know how many fish you need to put into that pond. If you don't know how many gallons your pond is, something is going to go wrong along the way because you don't know that number. Any questions, you can always email me directly, nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you'd like to sign up for our emails for any special offers, please go to fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks and have a great day.